You can drop or add your courses online during the registration week. When I study, I will underline all the main points in my notes.
What I'm going to do in this lecture is focus on something very specific. We need to work harder to remain competitive with other companies.
We heard the argument against it from several perspectives.
We carefully compared the first report with the second, looking for any difference. This is a detailed study of how animals adapt to their environment. They decided to spread the building process over 3 years. There has been a growing need for qualified teachers of English literature.
Autism is a disorder characterized by impairments in communication, social interaction, and repetitive behaviors. Over the past 40 years, the measured prevalence of autism has multiplied roughly tenfold. While progress has been made in understanding some of the factors associated with increased risk and rising prevalence, no one knows with certainty what causes autism or what caused autism prevalence to rise so precipitously. There is, however, a growing awareness among scholars that focusing solely on individual risk factors such as exposure to toxicants, prenatal complications, or parental education is insufficient to explain why autism prevalence rates have increased so stunningly. Social and institutional processes likely play an important role. For example, changes in diagnostic criteria and an influx of resources dedicated to autism diagnosis may be critical to understanding why prevalence rates have risen. Increased awareness and social influence have been implicated in the rise of autism and a variety of comparable disorders, where social processes mimic the effects of contagion. Studies have examined the contribution of changes in diagnostic criteria and diagnostic substitution to rising autism prevalence rates, but the importance of institutional factors, resources for diagnosis, and greater awareness have not been systematically assessed. The sociological literature on health and inequality, however, provides substantial motivation for exploring how individual and community-level effects operate to shape the likelihood of an autism diagnosis.
Good morning to my respected teachers and my dear friends. I would like to speak on the topic of global warming today. Global warming is mainly caused by the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. Some of the greenhouse gases are CO2, water vapor, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. When these gases get collected to the lower environment, it makes a cover which easily allows all the hot radiations of sun to the Earth, however restrict its escape back to the space. This process is called as the greenhouse effect. Such gases in the atmosphere trap hot radiations and keep Earth warm by increasing temperature. The level of greenhouse gases also raise because of the human activities such as burning trees, burning fissile fuels, electric lights, use of refrigerator, microwave, air conditioner, and other electric machines. Such process releases high percentage of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, causing the Earth temperature to rise. Rise in heat causes more water from Earth to evaporate into atmosphere. Water vapor again absorbs more heat and makes Earth atmosphere warmer. Global warming has changed natural processes, rainfall patterns, length of seasons, rise of sea level, ecology balance and many more. It is a powerful demon affecting our lives to a great extent, so it needs to be solved on urgent basis by the effort of all of us.
What is the word for the place where a river starts? What is the word for a period of 100 years? What is the term used for the principal male character opposite a hero in a movie or a story? What do people wear if they can't see very well?